Hey, I'm Randy.
And I'm Randy. And we've made the how-to videos you're about to watch to answer your biggest ceiling fan questions.
To view more tips and tutorials like these, visit our blog, Ask the Randys.
Have a ceiling fan question you want answered? Submit your questions to ceilingfans@emerson.com.
When a fan makes a clicking noise, it's usually because some of its components are not securely seated or fastened. To troubleshoot your noisy ceiling fan, you will need the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a ladder that will allow you to reach the ceiling, and the right angle screwdriver if needed. Before doing any work, turn off the power at the junction box. Remember, if you're not comfortable working with electricity, contact a licensed electrician for assistance. First, make sure that the Blade-to-Flange screws are securely tightened. Next, make sure the Flange-to-Motor screws are securely tightened. You may need to remove the fan switch cup to do so.
Check the set screw in the motor coupler to ensure that it's not loose. If it is, tighten it. It's also a possibility that the set screw in the hanger ball and down rod assembly is loose. Unscrew the canopy from the ceiling and slide it down to reveal the hanger ball.
Lift and turn the fan housing until the hanger ball set screw is visible. Then tighten the hanger ball set screw. Carefully turn the fan motor until the groove in the hanger ball seats with the notch and the hanger bracket.
Check the hanger ball to bracket junction box screws to ensure they are securely tightened and that there is no drywall in between the bracket and the junction box. Turn the power back on and resume using your Emerson ceiling fan. If troubleshooting does not resolve the issue, your junction box may be loose. Consider reinstalling the box or contacting a licensed electrician for assistance.
Make sure to follow us on YouTube by visiting our channel or clicking here to subscribe.
For other great tips and tutorials like this, visit myemersonfan.com/AskTheRandy.
Hey, I'm Randy.
And I'm Randy. That's right. Reset.
Forget your last name?
I forgot my first.
Clicking here to subscribe.
For other great